Hi everyone, Jan here, welcome to my channel. Today I am in a collaboration with Nik or Dominik Scherl from Paint and Bear. I just stumbled over Nik's videos not that long ago, I think a month or maybe 1.5 months ago. Sarah Taylor mentioned him in one of her videos, and I'm a big fan of Sarah Taylor's paintings, and of course was interested in seeing Nik's as well. And I must say that he has really impressed me. He is an awesome artist. If you don't already know him, please go and check his channel. Chances are that you probably come into my channel because you already know Nik, and he has mentioned me that we are collaborating today. So thank you for joining me if you're coming from Nik's channels. If not, if you are one of my followers, please do go and check him out. He is really awesome. Yeah, so we started talking a few months ago, and I made this rainbow swipe, and I also later made a swipe very much inspired by Nik's colors, and it came out really beautifully. And that's when Nik reached out to me and suggested that we should do a collaboration because we both live in Germany, and we thought it could be fun if we made a small German collaboration. So that is what we're doing today. We'll be doing a bloom swipe. I hope that you enjoy it, and yeah, and there's not so much more to say, but just again, thank you for joining me, and let's get to painting. I'll be seeing you on the canvas. Hi. So I'll just be going through my colors here. This is my canvas is a 61 by 38 centimeter canvas. Very weird size, but yeah, that's a French size. This is my base coat. As you can see, it leaves the mount on a mount. It is house paint mixed with Malverk pouring medium and a little water. And for my colors, I have mixed them all with Owatrol and water. This one is Amsterdam yellowish green, and the next one is an Amsterdam Naples yellow green. Instead of using pill white, I decided to use this yellowish green, so still very bright, but not actually white. This one is DecoArt 24 karat gold. And then we have the Pebeo iridescent blue-green, and an El Greco burnt sienna, and a little leftover of my Goya Paints gray from last pour, and last but not least, Amsterdam Prussian blue. So those would be my colors in the swipe. And then of course I'm swiping with Amsterdam titanium white mixed with Amsterdam pouring medium. So now I'm just putting my pillow paint on the canvas, and I will spare you for the time it takes to spread it out on the canvas. So I will just stop the video here, and then I'll be back when I have spread the paint on the canvas, okay? So the base coat is down. I will now be layering the colors, and since I've already gone through all the colors once, I will spare you for that again, and I'll just be playing some music for the remainder of the video, except for at the end I'll be back just with a short shout out to Nik and thanking you all for being here. So right now, just some music and enjoy. So that is the final piece here. I want to thank you so much for joining me. This has been awesome to collaborate with Nik. I really hope that you've enjoyed my video, and if you haven't already seen Nik's piece, please go check out his video as well. And all else I have to say is that it would really mean a lot to me if you would subscribe to my channel. It would help me a lot. Hit that notification bell. Um, do leave a comment for me. If you have any comments, I would gladly get back to you if you have any questions. And last but not least, please do leave a like. And with that said, I just want to once again thank you for being here, and hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.